And even here in Rhode Island and Providence during the month of September, we picked up over 7 inches of rain. We are dry tonight and obviously cold and windy. Take a look outside in Providence under clear skies, temperature at 19, some spots down to 14, 15. The wind still blustery. These temperatures feel colder. The wind chills are approaching 0 in some spots. We've got 16 in Smithfield, 20 in Newport, here in Providence, 19. But look at these feel-like temperatures approaching 0 in some locations, the wind chill. And that's just it. It's not a physical temperature. It's an apparent temperature. So what is the wind chill? It's what it feels like. So our bodies, most of the time, are at 98.6 degrees. So we emit heat through convection. So this little area of orange is just that little bit of heat just above our skin. Of course, our clothing holds in that heat. So, for example, on a night where there's no wind, and it's 20 degrees, the 20 degrees feels like 20 degrees. But let's throw in a 20-mile-per-hour wind with 20 degrees, and that wind pulls heat away from our bodies, and we feel colder. So that 20 now feels more like 4 degrees. That is the wind chill. So it's a factor of two things, the actual air temperature plus the speed of the wind. And clearly the wind has been a big factor over the last several days, and it will continue tomorrow as well. Fairly quiet in terms of precipitation across New England. It doesn't look like much, but a little bit of moisture in down east Maine. It's going to try to sneak in here, especially across eastern Mass tomorrow, meaning there may be a passing snow shower or flurry. Wouldn't last very long, but that chance is there. A vast majority of tomorrow is actually just windy, cold, and dry. As this cold air continues to pour out of southeastern Canada on these very gusty winds. So we move ahead into the future, take you into tomorrow afternoon, which is just more of the same. Partly sunny skies, windy, frigid, temperatures in the upper 20s. Again, unlike today, there is a slight chance of a passing snow shower, but mainly dry. Now we bring in some sunshine on Friday, but finally getting above freezing, 39 and not as much wind. Draw our attention to this storm system across the southeast. We've been talking about it now for days as far as a potential coastal storm. And there will be a coastal storm, but is going to track too far to the south to have a big impact here on Saturday. So here we are in southern New England. The storm is way offshore, so it'll pass well to our south. But there'll be some moisture lingering on Saturday. There'll be other weather pieces in the atmosphere coming through to give us some light snow showers on Saturday, which could actually coat the ground. Nothing more than that. The bulk of the storm stays away, but yes, some light snow still for Saturday. Getting close. Look at the wind speeds again for tomorrow. Very gusty, on the order of 35 to 40 coming out of the northwest. So for tomorrow morning, these are the actual air temperature, around 16 at 6 a.m., 11 a.m., 26. Partly sunny, windy, frigid, but a mainly dry afternoon. But early in the afternoon, a passing snow shower, it can't be ruled out, wouldn't last very long. High temperatures in the upper 20s. Bay forecast, no surprise. Gale warning continues on those gusty northwest winds. Windy, frigid for tomorrow. Not as much wind, not as cold on Friday afternoon. Snowstorm for Saturday, no, but light snow, yes, which may coat the ground, so we'll keep you updated. Sunshine dry on Sunday, seasonable temperatures with highs in the upper 30s. So we're in the deep freeze at least for another day and right on through tomorrow night. Not quite as bitter on Friday.
It'll be nice when that wind dies down for sure.
Finally.
All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up next.